then Colson's not there, so one assumes it's going to be victory number 2 for young Cotty, but not necessarily so. But he's already looking for the lead, and as they race down the home straight, he's taken it up. We have got one addition since race number 1, 239 has joined the fray. And put front mum with good news for win down the far side, just lodging 227. Now he's just lodged 660 as well, and he's got himself through into second. Eric Pearson is something to do with this, because Eric used to race as 239. So Jack Pearson then in 239 is second, but it's young Cotty who leads the way in 997. The rest of it struggling a bit this time. So young Cotty may well, one assumes, lap the field this time. The only one he didn't lap last time was the second place man, 227. Carl Futter, who's been struggling a bit this race. He got off to a good start, but then spun out by 239, so that gives a couple of his chances, didn't it? 997, then half of that clear. Gone past 148, Jamie Blything, who's double on the back straight, and that involves 660 quite possibly, and 47. And also troubles on the road turn for 148. But all have got, 2 of the 3 have got going again. And it's still young Cotty then, 9 miles in 997. 239, Jack Pearson running in second, and third, I think it's 873, Niall Roberts. He got third in the previous race, and may well repeat the dose in this one, I suspect. So 873 running third, 123 in fourth. 997 meanwhile continues on his way, completely untroubled. Been a bit of a set 2 on the far side involving, I'm not quite sure who's involved in that, but anyway the upshot is that the pair of them are out. The one that's been sitting there for ages suddenly decides it's going to rejoin, but that's wiped out some of the contenders. So what are we left with? Young Cotty then, who leads the way in 997. The way this is going, you might end up the only finisher. 2 more have fell foul of each other on the pit turn. So 997 leads the way. Who wants to be second is very much the way it is. 997's behind an absolute veritable clouds of steam from 660, I think that is. But that one's looking well for so 997, young Cotty on his way, and really there's just no opposition anywhere inside. With a telescope to see anything I think from here, plus there's all the steaming. But just for the record, second is currently held by, quite possibly, 227. So 997 has won it. 227 may well be second, but that's at least a lap down. Yeah, and the rest then coming through to fill the minor places, but if they completed the full laps, would be here till midnight. So I would imagine that we'll take that one back and say well done to young Cotty. Not going to be quite as easy as this in years to come, I'm sure, but they were 2 very, very